explain brain. The brain is one of the largest and most complex organ in our body. It's productive within the skull. The brain weight is approximately 49 grams or 3 pounds or 1.4 kgs. Brain uses 20% of the whole body energy. It is productive within the it's made up of more than 100 billion neurons. Brain allows us to think and feel. It controls and coordinates actions and reactions. It reverses information through our five senses. Brain has the main three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, all brain stems. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Functions: it is site of mental abilities, memory, speeches, etc. Functions: it is site of mental abilities, memory, speeches, etc. Cerebellum: it is site of equilibrium of the body. Medulla oblongata: it is site of respiratory, cardiac center, blood pressure, etc. Thank you.